Welcome to Bethelmatics Academy. So in this lesson, I want to show you how to find the lowest common multiple of 36, 45, and 60. Just write the three numbers in a straight line, 45 and 60. It is easier you prepare a table, then we solve the question using factor method. So we're going to be using prime factors to divide. Okay, so the first prime factor is 2. So we put in 2 here. 2 divide 36, that will give us 18. 2 divide 45 is not possible. We repeat 45. 2 divide 60, that will give us 13. So the next prime factor is still 2 because 2 can still divide 18 and 30. So 2 will still go again. This will give us 9. 2 go to 45 is not possible. We repeat 45. And then 2 go to 30, that will give us 15. Okay, 2 can no longer go because this is 9, 45, and 15. So we go to the next prime factor, which is 3. So 3 go to 9, that will give us 3. 3 go to 45, that will give us 15. And 3 go to 15, that will give us 5. Okay, 3 can still go because we have 3 here. So 3 go to 3, that will give us 1. 3 go to 15, that will give us 5. And 3 go to 5 is not possible. You repeat the 5. Then the next prime factor will be 5, since we have 5 here. So 5 go to 1. 5 go to 1, of course, is still 1. 5 go to 5, that will give us 1. And 5 go to 5, that will give us 1. So it means that the LCM, the lowest common multiple of 36, 45, 60 will be to multiply all the factors that I've written out here. So this will be equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. So this will give us 180. Okay, so it means that the lowest common multiple of 36, 45, and 60 is 180. It is always advisable that when you are dividing with your factors, please go in ascending order. Some students do jump from 2 to 5 and then back to 3. No. Make sure that you have exhausted 2, then we go to the next prime factor or prime number, which is 3. We have exhausted 3, then we go to 5. If your factors follows ascending order as it is, you are likely not going to make mistake. So I believe you understood this lesson. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next lesson. Bye.